Gabriella, yeah, that's her one.
Gabriella, where are you going? I think they opened each other's.
Sure.
Oh no, they got it.
What is it, Leah? Who's it from?
Yay!
Pants.
And pants.
Oh,
Those are
they're gonna wear them
sneaky
tonight to
pants.
bed.
Oh.
These mine.
Yeah. Do you want to?
Gabriella.
Who are those from, Leah? Gabriella, what is it?
Gabriella, can you look at me? Look at Mama. Gabriella, show me.
Gabriella, what's going on? Gabriella, let's look over here.
Yeah, honey.
Yeah!
Now what we can do?
Now you put them on and wear them to bed because Santa's coming tonight.
Now can we open some more?
Sonny, Punchiyama, and Uncle Josh, got you those so you can wait for Santa in them.
Yeah.
Now can we?
What do you say?
They're not on there.
Yeah, they're gonna hear it. What do they say?
Can I see?
Yeah. Can you say thank you, Sammy, Uncle Joshy?
I see them.
They're not there. It's just.
We're going to send it to them
Mommy.
later.
We're gonna send it to them.